Hi nail lovers! Today's curiosity is, how do I get started with Apres and what is in their kit? Is it actually worth it? So first off, it's supposed to have everything you need to get started with nail extensions, but you still need your own full-size lamp and preferably an efile for the prep and the removal. So what is actually included is a cute leather case. You get prep things like the files and bonder and a primer. But most importantly, you get a flash cure lamp that is vital to the entire process of applying the nail tips. So this last part of the kit varies. My Ombre set has the gold extend gel and a sheer color. So some of the kits come with tips and some of the kits you could just buy with no tips, since the tips are the part that is highly customizable. The ones I have here are the almond mediums, and they are the new and improved tips in 14 sizes. So there are 210 pieces total, which is 15 tips in each size. And assuming you use a different size for each finger, that's only about 7 manicures. Okay, so price. What's the retail price? The one with tips is $120 on Apres, and then a kit with no tips is $100 because obviously the tips retail for $20 a box. And so let's do some quick girl math. The nail files, let's just say they round up to $2. The bonder is $9 retail. The primer is $9 retail. The prep is $9. And the omni lamp is $30. The extend gel is $23 in the bottle. The gel color is $15. And altogether, that comes out to $97. And then plus the tips is $20. So technically, this math is not mathing. You are actually saving nothing buying the extension kit versus buying everything separately, because you add all that up and you're basically paying $3 for a cute case. So you can just save some money and wait for a 20% sale, and you can really customize and buy yourself a kit with everything that you actually will use. Okay, so this is the new kit for the Ombre tips. We'll go from small to most exciting. First off, there is now a buffer block and not just the nail file, which is 100 and 180 grit. It also now includes gelx prep, which is HEMA free. So that's really exciting if you need to switch out the extend gel with sensitive. Number 3, there is a sheer color, but with a gelx brush. So that's really exciting because it makes the application much easier with the special brush. Number 4, the extend gel has also an improved gelx brush. And number 5, there's a light upgrade. So before, with the old French kit, it came with an xlite, which is 6 watts, and it has 6 light bulbs. And then now the Omni is 3 watts, and it only has 3 little lights in the head. Last but not least, number 6, there's a tips change. So if you don't know about the new tips that Apres released in 2023 and 2024, you really got to check out my other video. There are 6 big changes to the Apres nail tip system, and it's just so much better. So you should go treat yourself and buy one of the 2.0 gel boxes. Let's talk special editions. So different versions of the extension kit have different color cases. The black one is the OG, and the white one is for French or ombre French nails. And then if you love the neutral tips like I do, it comes with a baby pink case, and then some other special editions like the one with the Presto Japanese brand is red. And then it is now being discontinued, but Jenny Queen of Bling had one that has a holographic case. There is a cost difference with the different editions. So the black one is $117, and it only comes with one mini box of 280 tips. The French one, as you can see here with the ombre, is 210 tips for $120. So in the black kit, it comes with extend gel and a top coat, but in the ombre French tip, that one comes with the extend gel in the gold bottle and a gel color, so there's no top coat. And then in the old French kit, it comes with a tinted extend gel for the clear tips and a French white. The neutrals kit is $125, but it comes with 2 boxes of 150 tips. So where can you buy the cheapest? So I've been scoping it out. It all comes down to the place that has the best like free shipping and if they charge tax or not. So Beyond Polish, the Ombre kit is $100 with no tips. It's currently out of stock, but it comes back in stock really often. The Apres, of course, will sell everything that is new and not being discontinued. So the Ombre kit is $120 with tips, because remember the tips retail for $20. And then I also shop on Skyline Beauty, and the original black kit is $100 with no tips. If you buy on apresnail.com, you can get the black kit for $117 because it comes with the mini box of tips, and that retails for $17. So everywhere it's the same price, but Skyline Beauty, for me, since I don't live in California, they don't charge me tax, so I'm saving a lot of money since this is such a big purchase. On Beyond Polish, they do charge me tax, and so since they're a big company, you can't escape the tax. But when I pretended to check out on apresnail.com, there was no tax, so that was really amazing. I would definitely shop on apresnail.com next time when they are running like a 20% site-wide or their next Black Friday sale, and they have amazing combo deals. If you have the budget to spend like $100 or $200, they have some really good deals during Black Friday. So this kit is really beautiful, but you still need these things. Number one, a full-size lamp, and that's going to run you $20 to $50 to $100 or even $300 for the Apres lamp. Okay, just kidding. You don't need the Apres lamp if you're just getting started. I use a really high-quality Chinese lamp that is 48 watts for $30, which is on sale right now for only 20 something. And I recommend this Sun UV brand, and they are often the one that gets like knocked off. Like lots of fakes are floating around on Amazon and on other sites where you can buy nail supplies. So just be aware of that and buy the actual Sun UV brand, because the Sun 1, like number 1, is like their top seller. It is for like DIY enthusiasts like me, and is not for like total beginners. And so it is 48 watts, and it does cost more than $20. It was around $30 retail. And number 2, you do need a e-file and bits if you plan on doing nail extensions a lot, because it's just really difficult to prepare your nail bed and do the removal if you do not have an e-file. If you need e-file recommendations, you can check out my videos, and they run over $100. And if you just buy a plug-in one, you can get a really good one for less than $200. You can also check out my other video where you go through a decision matrix and decide, like, do you really need an e-file? If you are really just getting started, I highly recommend you just stick to a hand file, so like a regular nail file, and you save up to buy the e-file later. Number 3, the fun stuff. So all of the colors that go on top of your extensions and the nail art, the chrome, the stickers, all of that is going to cost a lot, especially if you want, like 10 different colors. The Apres gel colors are $15 each retail, and I often see them for 20% off, so that's $12 each. And last but not least, if you got the Ombre kit like me, you're going to need a top coat, especially maybe even a thicker top coat than the Apres one, because the Apres one is really runny and liquidy. And so you do want to invest in a thicker top coat if you plan on encapsulating glitters, stickers, and charms, and all of those things. I highly recommend getting only a non-wipe top coat, so at the end you seal it in with top coat and you're done. Okay, Rosie report time. All in all, I really love my Apres kit, but it's definitely not for newbies. So some roses, I love, the aesthetic of it. It's beautiful. You can pack everything all together and you can zip it up. And number two, I really love how easy it is to use the Omni light. And, you know, like if you have the xlite or you plan on getting the old version with the xlite, it just makes the whole process seamless, and you definitely need a flash clear lamp. And number three, I love these new brushes in the Extend Gel and the color bottles. So it just makes the application so much easier because you have better control with this nicer built-in brush without needing your own brushes. I do have my own like premium Japanese nail brushes, so it's not a deal breaker for me, but it's nice that you could just open the bottle and it already comes with a really nice brush. Some thorns, these kits do still need a full-size lamp and other things like colors and your nail art supplies, so it ends up being really expensive. If you're not sure about extensions, just buy two things. You just need the nail tips and the Extend Gel. And that is going to end up being half the price of the kit. So for some people like me, then you might as well just invest in the kit since you're already investing in the whole system. So the Extend Gel is $23 and a box of tips, the originals, are $30. Or if you plan on getting the Ombre tips, those are $20. And so that ends up being like already $50. So if you're already committed to doing nail extensions, then you might as well just buy the kit. So you have all of like the prep supplies that, as Apres says, ensures, like a full month, 4 weeks of wear. Honestly, I didn't really save any money buying this kit, as you can tell from the breakdown of each item cost. But I think if you do your own prep really, really well, you don't need all those prep liquids that, cost $9 a bottle. And so refilling your kit or buying like the individual items to make your own kit, you're going to end up saving a lot of money. And keep in mind, how many manicures can you get out of a box of tips, right? These Ombre tips only give you about 7 manicures because there's a lot, over half of the tips you cannot use because they don't fit your hand. So if you're a nail technician and you do many different hands with many different nail bed sizes, then the whole box is perfect for you. Once you figure out what your actual sizes are for each finger, I highly recommend you just buy the refill bags and save a lot of money that way. I've also seen the refill bags go on sale on Beyond Polish and of course Apres, so just buy the actual size that you need and don't buy a whole box that you end up wasting, because who is going to use the rest of the box, right? So if you just do your own nails like I do, then definitely buy refill bags. All right, so let me know which Apres kit you like and what your favorite nail tip style is. I'm really trying to figure out what the popular styles are because, I know what I like, but I'm curious what other people like and what you guys ask for when you go see a nail tech and get your nails done. Should I do a detailed tutorial using this Ombre kit? Let me know in the comments down below. And I will see you in the next curiosity. Bye.